Well, after a little over a week here in the Salt Lake City area at my sister and brother-in-law's home, I'm back on the road for the final 600-mile push from Salt Lake City area to Phoenix area. Early September. Probably will take us close to a month, most of September, to make it back to Phoenix. I rested up, recuperated as much as possible at my sister's house, and gained a little weight back, so I feel better. The dog's definitely gained a lot of weight and got some energy, some strength back, and hopefully we'll sustain it. I don't want to get where I was before as far as health, but I'm not going to push myself as much. Try to make sure I eat more and just enjoy the final 600 miles. I've got a route that's supplied by Google Maps. I'm on the 68 South right now, and it's a little busy. But I've got a route kind of planned out, and I may alter it a little bit as I go, depending on the road conditions. But I really enjoyed my stay here in Salt Lake City. In South Jordan is where they live, but I've enjoyed it. I can't thank my sister and her family, her husband and her boys enough for their hospitality. Excellent food, hot showers, nice bed to sleep in. So today is kind of a sad day. I'm happy to be back on the road, but I know it's gonna be back to sleeping in the tent and food that's not as nice as what I've been having this last week. But gotta keep moving, and I just want to thank them again, my sister and Mary and her husband Tim and their boys, Alex, Max, and Charlie and Jake, and their dog Maggie. And she put up with Cooper and Twinkie. So I'm gonna get back to the road. Maybe we'll get 50 miles today. That might be nice. Eat into that 600 miles that we gotta go. And I'll be posting more later. Safe travels.